Hello student, you are welcome in our SSC class. I am Madhuri Bhankar and today we will start our chapter number 24, Social Justice and the Marginalized. Social Justice, Social Inequalities and Problem related to the children, Social Justice and the Indian Constitution, and what is the marginalization and condition of women and effect of the social equalities on the economical inequalities and मार्जिनलाइज्ड ग्रुप में सबसे पहले हम पढ़ेंगे सोशल जस्टिस सोशल जस्टिस मीन्स देयर शुड बी नॉट बी discrimination between the citizen and from the social point of view all the citizens should have the equal opportunity to self development. The concept of the base mainly on the assumption that all the individuals living in the society are equal and no discrimination is made up of the basic of caste, religion, sex, creed and color etc. According to the Gajendra Bhodkar, social justice means the abolition of all the social inequalities and the provision are equal अपॉर्चुनिटी मतलब इन सभी को इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी प्राप्त होती है टू ऑल द इंडिविजुअल लिविंग इन द सोसाइटी इन अदर वर्ड वी कैन से दैट द सोशल जस्टिस इज अ प्रोविजन ऑफ facilities to all the individuals self development and the fulfill society in necessity. And what is the marginalization? Marginalization is the process of being the re-legal to the lower social standing and being the separate from the society. ये एक ऐसी प्रोसेस है जिसके थ्रू जो लोअर सोशल स्टैंडिंग है वो सेपरेट किए जा सकते हैं सोसाइटी में. Marginalized group are the typical those that occupy the low position in the society. तो सोसाइटी में लो पोजीशन ले सकते हैं एंड दे सफ़र फ्रॉम द आइसोलेशन जो आइसोलेशन से सफ़र करते हैं द सोशल डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एंड द नीडेड टू से दैट द marginalization bring about the economical inequality and the lower caste and untouchability as well as the tribal group falls into the category of the marginalization people. The maker of the constitution were aware of the deep root and marginalization in our society and they realized that the special provisions should have to the made to bring this group into the mainstream for equality to truly magnificent the and they would be have to given the ability to enjoy the same opportunity as deep root to the mainstream in our society and realize that the special provision would have to be made to bring this group into the mainstream for the equality to truly magnificent they would have to given the ability to enjoy the same opportunity as the rest. The chairman of the drafting committee Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar जो ड्राफ्टिंग कमेटी थी उनके चेयरमैन जो थे वो भीमराव अंबेडकर थे played the crucial role ensuring that the constitution made special provision for these communities and these group the scheduled caste मतलब SC का and the scheduled tribal मतलब ST and other backward मतलब OBC and are given the temporary and permanent at these position in the society the term of the population from the minority in the society. इसके बाद में marginalized grouped some of the main marginalized group in India are under the scheduled caste मतलब SC. The group of the people of the bottom level caste leader are called bottom level के जो ग्रुप है उसे SC ग्रुप कहा जाता है. And untouchable or the Dalit and scheduled caste means SC and these castes need special attention to their progress and scheduled tribes मतलब ST. The India has a large population of the scheduled tribes mostly the tribes lives in the forest and the mountainous area have to the custom and the way of the life the quite differences from the others and the majority of them still lead to very simple life as they may have the nomadic hunters and the food gathered. जो शेड्यूल ट्राइबल्स होते हैं वो अधिकतर फॉरेस्ट एरिया में और माउंटेन एरिया में रहते हैं और उस वहीं के कस्टम को फॉलो करते हैं। यही वो वे है जहाँ पर बहुत सारे लोग रहते हैं और मेजॉरिटी जो है वो उन्हें सिंपल लाइफ की ओर लेकर के जाती है। नॉर्मली एक हंटर और फूड गैदर जो है वो वहीं पर है। अदर बैकवर्ड क्लास मतलब ओबीसी, द ग्रुप ऑफ द पीपल हु आर प्लेस टू द लोअर साइज एंड द लेडर्स टू दैट दे आर अदर देन द शेड्यूल, जो शेड्यूल कास्ट के अलावा रहते हैं और शेड्यूल ट्राइबल कास्ट के अलावा रहते हैं उन्हें कहा जाता है अदर बैकवर्ड क्लास मतलब ओबीसी। द गवर्नमेंट ऑफ द लॉन्च द वेरियस स्कीम, गवर्नमेंट ने उनके लिए बहुत सारी स्कीम लॉन्च की है। द वेलफेयर ऑफ ओबीसी सच एज द प्री एग्जामिनेशन कोचिंग एंड द एनेबल टू द ओबीसी कैंडिडेट इज कम to the various component and the entrance of examination, the hostel of ABC boys and girls, finance assigned the through the pre-matric scholarship of OBC, the post-matric scholarship of OBC, the assistance to the voluntary organization who work to the welfare of the OBC and the educational and the social economic condition to help to the gainfully to employed. It's enough for today. We will continue tomorrow. Thank you so much.